Sa na oras? It's 10 a.m. and medyo init, sakit na ang init because these days, grabe ka, init good. Like, it's no longer the normal init, but makakos na siya mga heat stroke and such. Kina na si mama. Let's go. Wala ka extra mask, ma? Wait lang, ibuklat sa ako ang payong. Ay. Ay, unya na, wait lang. Mapag-hi sa akong vlog. Hi. Nanak ka sa akong vlog. Ikaw ang superstar ng taon. Hindi ko sabot, init kaayo siya, pero gadag ko sa pikas aside. So, sa Migtina. And, let's go!
Budget.
Ay, ba nga naman. Nag-vlog ba ako mamadugan. Walawan ko. Di pa lang yun. Trabaho sa kono. Kwarto. So,
Ay, gamay ang kwarta.
ay, gamay ra ang kwarta. Gamay ra ang kwarta. Dapat daghan. So, first stop ng mga senior citizen ay ang ating pangmalakasan na drugstore. Na, na tao lagi. Galingan mo dyan, mother. Unfortunately, wala dito ang bet na hair color ni mama. Maybe we'll try in another branch of Watson's. So now we're headed to SNR for lunch. Si mama ko sugar mommy for today's video. Medyo gutom na ko, pero let's go! Card. Asan ang black card? Ito ang magdadala sa atin sa tagumpay. Perks of a senior citizen.
A few moments later.
Wala pa sila meals na gina-serve. It's actually 11:22 a.m. na. And gusto naman magpa-rice. So, we're gonna head to the next option. Waiting for our order, I decided to look for drinks. Iced tea lang yun data of soft drinks ang nasa Greenwich. Could not vividly recall asa exactly itong something fruit shake. So, I hope I find it. Or else mag-milk tea ko. I don't know.
One eternity later.
Able to find the frutas. So I'm here in Chinky. I'm gonna buy a milk tea instead. Mama and I are just gonna share because I cannot finish like a whole large cup of milk tea. That's why me and Oaks used to share. And Chinky tea, already got my milk tea. Tapos makita dayon ako ang prutas karon. Miresi dyan. Let's girl. Kami to, mama. Straight ahead. Guys, naigwapo guys. Wait lang, naigwapo. Naigwapo. Siyempre! NCT Dream Yarn. Thank you, ma. Kopa kaya ako mamabay. Inside the grocery store. We're about to I have my list. And now let's start. Let's go. So we just finished our lunch. So it usually takes an hour for me to finish doing this, but hopefully dili na kami magdugay kay. We have another appointment set for this day, so we better be quick. Let's go. Best part of this grocery store because they have a lot of promos and kasi nakaless sila mga at least 10 pesos, 3 pesos, 5 pesos. 5.50 46.50 na lang. Ooh. 4 pieces of chicken breast, 200. Lord.
100.
Sirado. Po, mga kanya kong compute eh. Go, ma. 80 pesos. Medyo piit pa ta. Dili sa taan. Oh, naikatsu. Soy garlic. 500. So, half kilo. And this one is 209 pesos. Wala sad siya. Nakabuta nga. Pila ka pieces. Pagliso jud ang judges ani. Ang saon man ni nato.
Hindi ra din yan.
209. Oh, shucks, ito ba ay pag-ibig na? Oh, diba? We're in line. And that's the perks of having a senior citizen. A seated line. It's 1:35, so we're a bit behind of our schedule because we're supposed to go at the salon at 2 p.m. And it's already 1:35 and we're still here. Still in line. Actually, oh my God! Guys, sana yun sa Beanie Stan. Ito muna. Huwag muna tayo umuwi. Pero kailangan na nato muli. So we're gonna drop these groceries at home. And then after that, mulakaw na sa me again.
Facebook page. Now, 5,000. Sa inuman do. Kumbaga nalabihan siya sa lahat.
We're on our way to our second errand. And nag-change mo yung outfit kay murag na pagkaigang ang kalibutan ng taxi. Walay aircon! Laban lang ito sa imo, kuya. So since Mama wasn't able to buy her preferred hair dye color, I'm gonna walk to a Watson's branch nearby. Let's go. The vibe is Sunday, but it's actually a Wednesday. It just happens that May 1 is a national holiday because it's Labor Day. Araw ng mga manggagawa. So, mabuhay mga tagagawa. Uy! I'm actually looking for a brown black. This is medium golden, dark brown, light brown, dark brown. Oh, here. Oh my God, finally. Let's go get this. I already got the hair color or the hair dye. And I'm on my way to the salon. Let's go. I regret not taking the umbrella with me. So, medyo painit kita. We're almost there. Ta-da!
Ay kung wala'y kurinti, pwede na kayo kayo.
Hi guys, we are now here at Jollibee and we're about to eat our dinner. Well, I was not able to film much while we are at the salon because As usual, I fell asleep. This Jollibee is at the Congon na branch where dito ko mamalit ang mga like ricados, like ahos, kumbay, para sa akong mga putahe. Since luoy man si mama nga maglakaw-lakaw siya with me, well, diri lang na siya magtambay for a while. Well, actually, she's in the bathroom right now. And as you can see, I have here like salon pass. Nabikil na ako akong arm for like, I don't know how it happened. I guess that's the latest update for this day. And it's actually 5:30 and my energy is descending. I'm gonna go downstairs and order some food. Well, I'm actually not that super hungry because we had our lunch at mga 12 noon. And so yeah, mga una lang midaan. Since the line is long, so obviously it's gonna take a while for us to get our order. Told you, there's a lot of people. Oh my god. Unsa nga number imuhang sendan? Anli imong isend sa Samsung dili. Sige. Kana naman just for you. Tuklo ka na just for you. Oh, so amount. So kana Okay. So ayun. So guys, I'm going to make my mother my kind of burger. So I actually have vlogged about this in the past. Well, actually, this is my first time trying the iced mocha latte, and we know that mocha is composed of coffee and chocolate. Yeah, and on this one, medyo strong ang chocolate. So for those who are not into coffee, you can try this one. This is for you, and it's also too sweet for me, but it's not bad at all. It's just it's too sweet for me. So now I'm going to assemble this way of eating my burger. I mean, the burger. Any kind of burger, but you know, if sa Jollibee, must be good. So we're gonna remove the top. Na put the fries on top. Yan. You can put as many as you want. Okay, so next is you pour the ketchup. And you just close it. This is my favorite way of eating my burger. I suggest you guys should try eating it this way.
Apa din ako ni butang?
Sa atong pa. Babay na. Suko ka? Naka-video ka? Di ka pwede masuko. Naka-video ka.
May ba masampuan ko?
Pagkoro ko na humanag pangumpra. And it's here. Yan. Balila pa tong tiil. Oh my God, bugat kayo. But you know, it's huge privilege to have something to carry that's heavy at home. Something to put on the table. So I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here, and thank you so much for coming with us. And mag-arsa pa kung perting bugata, guys. So I'm so proud of myself that I was able to finish this vlog. Ansa ma?
Wala man kayo na pinabilin.
Ano ba ako? I'm gonna work on the budget. Ako gina siya gilain og bulsa. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Bye-bye sama. Bye-bye. Bye!
All of our friends, feet in the sand, beneath the stars, it never ends.